Hello again, future kids. Welcome to Lecture 6 in our fun and fascinating AI journey at FutureKids VR. Have you ever talked to Siri, Alexa, or maybe even a chatbot? Did it feel like they were talking just like humans? Today, we'll learn how AI can talk like us and what makes it possible. Let's go. Talking AI. Real or just pretend? AI can talk, listen, and answer questions. But is it real conversation? Kind of. It's called a chatbot, and it's trained to reply in a friendly and smart way. But remember, AI doesn't think or feel like you. It just follows patterns it learned. How do chatbots work? Let's see how a chatbot learns to talk. AI is trained on thousands of conversations. It learns how people greet, ask questions, and reply. Then it uses natural language processing. Remember last lecture? To understand your words. Then it picks the best possible answer from what it has learned. It's like teaching a robot how to be a polite friend. Can they understand feelings? Not really. Even if they sound happy or sad, they don't actually feel anything. That's why you should always treat AI like a helpful tool, not a real friend. You're the human. You have the real heart.